Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change font on Facebook post. So first of all, open your Facebook and for example I want to change this font, so I'm going to selecting and copying this text from here and opening a new browser and typing here font changer. I'm gonna opening this first website and pasting my post text here, and from this right hand side I'm going to copying this font and pasting on my Facebook. And here you can see I've successfully changed my Facebook post font. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.